Hi friends, hope you all are fine. Let's start. First you make a side pony. Attach the pony to the clip. Now I am making another pony. Now connect the first pony with its second pony by twisting. Then take out the section for braid and attach to the clip. Tie a rubber band. Take out pony from inner side and lift your pony upwards. Secure with bobby pins. Now remove the clip and make a simple braid. Attach to the clip and do the same as before. Remove the clip and your easy cute hairstyle is ready.